Thanksgiving is already in the rearview mirror, and Christmas music is now playing at virtually every public establishment, marking that we are in the middle of the holiday season. This wonderful time of the year also historically marks a big slowdown in the residential housing market, and so far it has been no different this year in Irvine. With buyers shifting their focus from a potential end-of-the-year home purchase to focusing on the holidays, demand levels have plummeted. But this is nothing to stress about, as this drop in demand is like clockwork for this time of the year, as shown by the previous 4 years of data in Irvine. This decrease in demand translated directly into fewer home sales. We saw 50 detached single-family homes sell in November, which was a noticeable decline from the 64 that sold in October. The biggest demand-related talking point of 2025 has been mortgage rates, as they have continued to keep us on our toes throughout the whole year with how fluctuating rates have been. And November wasn't much different, as the 30-year fixed rate had another slightly turbulent month, staying within the 6.2% to 6.4% range. Less demand and fewer homes selling are not great news for homes that are on the market or were on the market, and this led to a continued decrease in active listings, as 57 sellers decided to take their homes off the market for the holiday season after not finding their desired success. This brought November's active inventory to 231 detached single-family homes. However, even with this drop, 2025's active listings sit at a much higher level than the previous 2 years. Despite all of these measurable stats declining in November, the average price per square foot for a detached single-family home increased for the second month in a row, ending November at an average of $931 per square foot. That leaves us with just 1 month remaining in 2025, and I don't think December will have any surprises in store. I expect to see things follow historical trends, meaning we will continue to see demand, active listings, and total sales decline to end out this year. December will be an important month in terms of giving us a little bit more insight into where Irvine's housing market could be heading in 2026. The Federal Reserve will meet for their final time this year on December 9th, and expectations are that we will get another rate cut. The anticipation leading up to this cut typically leads to mortgage rates dropping ahead of the announcement. We saw this happen in both September and October of this year. If rates fall around and definitely below the 6% mark, then I expect Q1 of 2026 to be much busier than Q1s of years past. So for buyers, if the home you are interested in is currently on the market, I recommend taking advantage of these slower market conditions, as we will likely see demand levels and overall home prices increase early next year. For sellers, if you're currently sitting on the market, be patient, as better months are ahead. So let me know in the comments below, where do you think Irvine's housing market is headed next year? If I don't hear from you, well then I look forward to getting to bring you the next Irvine housing market update. Cheers.